ever truly stopped to think how often do we take life for granted? We breathe, we plan for years ahead. We waste our precious time scrolling, complaining, and waiting as if tomorrow is promised. But what if it isn't? Our movie is a drama that forces you to confront that very question. A romance born in the shadow of death, yet filled with more life than most stories ever dared to tell. This is not just a Korean drama. This is one of the best Asian romances I have ever watched. A story I would place right beside the legendary Chinese drama One and Only. It's a masterpiece that intertwines love, loss, art, and the fragility of our human experience. The drama follows Lee Da-yeon, a woman radiant with life, yet with so little of it left, and Lee Jae-ha, a once brilliant film director, lost and wasting the health and time he still has. One is battling for every breath, determined to leave behind something meaningful for those who loved her dearly. The other is mentally in ruins, neglecting the blessings he once took for granted. And when their paths cross, they begin a journey not just of making a movie, but of making meaning in the face of an inevitable goodbye. There's a moment that shattered me. The crying scene where the truth finally comes out. The crew, those talented souls who believed in this project, learn about her critical illness. The production halts. For a moment, it feels like the dream dies right there. But what happens next is pure humanity at its finest. One by one, these sensitive, creative individuals return, not for money, not for fame, but because they felt the heartbeat of the story. They stand beside Lee Jae-ha and Lee Da-yeon, determined to finish a film that may fail commercially, but will forever hold the weight of their hearts. And then, the scenes that stay with you long after. A park bathed in cherry blossoms, petals falling like clock down clock. A rooftop, their unfinished film flickers across the night sky, as if time itself paused to give them some time. Where she sits, frail yet proud, watching their movie come alive for strangers, while her own life quietly dims. And he watches her from behind, his eyes carrying a love too deep for words. Nam Kung Min delivers a performance of quiet devastation. Every restrained breath is a story on its own. Jeo Yo-bin as Da-yeon is unforgettable. Her smile, her strength, her fierce will to leave behind something beautiful even as time betrayed her. Together, their chemistry is not loud or flashy. It's the kind that seeps into your chest and stays long after the final frame fades. If I wished for one more thing, it would be to see deeper into her illness, to feel the true progression of her suffering, because the courage she displayed deserved that raw honesty. But even without it, our movie is a rare gem. It does what very few dramas dare. It makes you look at your own life. How much time have you wasted? How often do you neglect the gift of health that others would fight for? This drama is not just about dying. It's about truly living, even when the clock is running out. So if you want a story that will break your heart and rebuild it in the same breath, that will make you hold someone tighter tonight, watch our movie. And when you do, tell me what moment stayed with you the longest. Was it the blossoms, the rooftop, the theater, or that moment the crew chose love over convenience? Because for me, art movie isn't just a drama. It's a reminder to cherish, to create, to live. So guys, have you watched our movie yet? And if so, what was your favorite scene from the drama? I loved Lee Jae-ha's and Lee Da-yeon's chemistry from the get-go. What about you? Please do check out my other videos where I have listed the top romantic Korean dramas of all time. I have attached the link in the description box below. That's all for now. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Thanks for watching.